AI agents are like smart robot friends that can think, learn, and help with tasks. In this guide, we'll explore how they work and why they're so cool. Imagine you have a robot friend who can help you do things. This robot friend, called an AI agent, is like a super smart helper that lives inside computers. It can understand what you say and do tasks for you. Think of it like this: if you wanted to find a picture of dinosaurs, your AI agent friend could look through all the pictures in the world to find the best dinosaur pictures for you. Or if you wanted to know how to build the coolest Lego tower, your AI agent friend could tell you step by step what to do. Your AI agent friend is always learning and getting better at helping you. It remembers what you like and tries to do things the way you want them done. Just like how you sometimes need help from grown-ups, AI agents sometimes need help from humans too. They work together with people to solve problems and do cool things. Imagine asking your AI friend to help plan your birthday party. It could suggest games, help design invitations, and even create a shopping list for your parents. Or maybe you're curious about space? Your AI friend could take you on a virtual tour of the solar system, showing you amazing pictures of planets and stars while answering all your questions about astronauts and rockets. Think of your AI friend as having a super big brain that can remember lots and lots of information, more than any person could. It learned by reading millions of books and looking at millions of pictures. When you ask it something, it uses all that information to give you the best answer it can think of, just like how you use what you've learned in school to answer questions. As you grow up, AI agents will grow up too. They'll learn new things and get even better at helping you with homework, creating art, writing stories, and discovering new ideas. Maybe one day, you'll even help build new AI agents that can do things we haven't even thought of yet. AI agents are like magic helpers that live in our computers and phones. They're not quite like people, they don't have feelings or eat ice cream, but they're amazing at helping us learn, create, and explore our world in fun new ways. Thank you for exploring AI Agents Explained, the future of intelligent automation with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.